Hi, I'm Howie Scarboro. I'm the CEO of Fall Protection Distributors. I want to tell you a little bit about the SSRA3 Anchor Plate. This is an adapter plate that fits on top of two SSRA1 seam anchors. This is what we use for attaching temporary 100-foot horizontal lifelines onto standing seam roofs with no penetrations. So our SSRA1 anchors fit about 95% of today's standing seam roofs, and this plate is going to fit those seams that are between a 12 and 24-inch width. So this is what the plate's going to look like. It does include the D-ring mounted on top, and that D-ring can be articulated to be vertical or horizontal. I want to show you some of the pictures here. So there's your bare plate. That's what the plate's going to look like mounted on top of two SSRA1 anchors. And as you can see, the top bolts can be loosened up and those anchors can be spread or spread wider or more narrow for different width seams. It gives you an idea of what it's going to look like mounted on the roof. That's what your rigging is going to look like at each end of your rope. And that's what a completed assembly is going to look like. This will hold up to 2 workers. If you have more workers than that, the rope itself will actually hold 4 workers. We recommend you get a couple extra anchors and mount those anchors right here around just below the rope. So when a worker's not traveling, he can clip off the line onto a fixed anchor point. So here on the resources page, this gives you a little insight into the type of seams the SSRA1 is going to fit. And if you scroll down here, this is access to your installation instructions, test results, and your cut sheet. If you have any questions, you can always reach us. Here's our phone number, here's our email, and this is a live chat button down here on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and let us know how we can help you.